Hi, I'm here today hoping to give you some inspiration for your knitting. This is a little jumper I made and I'm going to show you some more details of it. The pattern will be at the end, so please stick around for that. This is a great little jumper for warmer weather. It's knit in Rowan Kidsilk Haze, which is really light and bouncy and fluffy and feels nice to wear. It's a simple lace pattern all over, except the base of it has a different pattern along the bottom. I'm going to hold my hands up and say I'm not the best at knitting lace. You have to concentrate and my mind can get waylaid and go off somewhere and la 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 la. Oh heck, where have I gone wrong here? So this part I will have had to really concentrate on, but this part was a lot simpler, a lot more simple design that I can work on and not have to concentrate quite so much. And then there is ribbing along the neck and on the armholes. But that is such a lovely yarn to wear because it is. I hope you can see how light that is, light and airy. The pattern I used for this one is Divinity by Martin Story, and I no doubt found it on the Rowan website. I always print off patterns. I've got books of them, lots of patterns, but I'm a bit old school. I like to have a paper pattern to work from, but that's the pattern for this jumper I knitted. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Please hit the like button if you have, and also subscribe to follow me along. I've created a playlist with lots of other knitting inspirations, so hopefully I can inspire you for your knitting creative projects.